A apple. O orange. X ox. क्या आप फोनिक्स साउंड्स ऑफ इंग्लिश लेटर्स जानते हैं? अगर नहीं जानते हैं तो चलिए सीखते हैं. Welcome to Easy English with Pooja. In today's lesson, we will learn the phonics sounds of all English letters from A to Z. आज की ये वीडियो बिगिनर्स के लिए और उन विद्यार्थियों के लिए हेल्पफुल है जिनका मीडियम हिंदी है, या यूँ कहें कि ये इंग्लिश सीखने का फर्स्ट स्टेप है. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. A makes the sound a apple. B makes the sound b ball. C makes the sound k cat. D makes the sound d dog. E makes the sound a egg. F makes the sound fish. G makes the sound g got. H makes the sound hen. I makes the sound e ink. J makes the sound j jam. K makes the sound k kite. L makes the sound l line. M makes the sound m monkey. N makes the sound nose. O makes the sound o orange. P makes the sound p pen. Q makes the sound qu queen. R makes the sound r rabbit. S makes the sound sun. T makes the sound t tiger. U makes the sound umbrella. V makes the sound van. W makes the sound watch. X makes the sound x ox. Y makes the sound yellow. Z makes the sound zoo. एक बार फिर से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. A apple. B ball. C cat. D dog. E egg. F fish. G got. H hen. I ink. J jam. K kite. L lion. M monkey. N nose. O orange. P pen. Q queen. R rabbit. S sun. T tiger. U umbrella. V van. W watch. X ox. Y yellow. Z zoo. Thank you for watching. Practice these sounds every day. Keep learning, keep practicing. Goodbye.